Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at exactly 2 o'clock. Yeah, so I sign out maybe 2:05 because I went to the locker room and then I sign out. Yeah, really nice. Today is busy. Also the lunch is busy. Yeah, but mostly are just fish and chips and Caesar salad. So those are easy to do. Yeah, good. And at the moment this is how it is. And there are some people in there. 1 2 3 4 5, see, more than 10 people. There are more on the very far side. Yeah, okay, we go. Actually we are first going to Salamander Bay Square. We're going to look for something to buy. I don't know yet. We're here in Harvey Norman and we're going to check if they have GoPro Hero 9 battery. Oh, it's good that I didn't buy the grip that I saw in Harvey Norman. Yeah, I'm really tempted to take that one, but it's $69. Yeah, then I realized that I can buy that thing for maybe $15-20 in eBay or other online store. Yeah, it's good that I didn't take it. Nice. And I noticed that they are now starting to construct this tape here. Tape is technology, and oh, I forgot, but that's basically one of the known school here in Australia. Technical and further education, that's the meaning of tape. You maybe noticed that I am wearing a different polo shirt. Yeah, this is coming from Ronald. He gave it to me last year when I went to Queensland. You know, Kmart looks empty. I mean, it was not like this before. Before it was fully packed. I mean, like there's no empty space like this. Yeah, this is fully filled before, but yeah, a lot of empty space these days. I believe it is because of the COVID. Of course, most of these items are coming from China. So yeah, I'm actually here because I saw in the internet one seat actually like this. I'm looking for something like this, but something that I can put in my bike so that I can relax anytime I wanted to sit down. This one is too big. I'm looking for the small one. Yeah, just look at that, the helmet. They don't have much. Oh, look at this, they have no fish shield, but I don't know how much. There is no price. And they also have this kind of mask. I just got a hand sanitizer from Kmart, and now we are here in Aldi. We're looking for something else. Oh, we're going to take one of this soy milk. We will try. This is just $1.09. We're also going to take one of this condensed milk. Yeah, this is just $1.49. And we're going to take one of this corn meat, $2.29. And look at this, I saw something Philippines. Okay, we are going home now. Yeah, it is very windy for sure. There's so much noise in this recording. Oh, look at that. That is alpaca. Hello, alpacas. Would you rather observe? Sorry. Thank you. I never experienced something like that. It looks scary inside there. Oh, I actually experienced it already somewhere in Abu Dhabi, or in Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, we did something like that, but I already forgot the feeling, the experience. A lot of people in there, they are playing different things. Yeah, we're home and I am now preparing my meal. This is going to be this rice with a lot of water, and I put ginger, and I'm going to add some more seasoning. I just called the Star Trek UPS because yeah, I'm following up my GoPro media mode. Yeah, because Robin, the guy that I told you before that is already vlogging in Perth, he already got his media mode. Yeah. Yeah, I ordered first than him. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's already 9 and I just uploaded a video. This battery I put it here because I charged it last night. Yeah, fully charged now, and I'm doing the laundry. I just finished the white one. Yeah, it is now 11 o'clock. I have my laundry already outside drying, and now I'm preparing my meal. I am cooking the rice, and I'm thinking of cooking this corned beef. I have this condensed milk. I bought it yesterday, if you remember. Yeah, this is a product of Netherlands. Yeah, this is going to be my lunch. Oh, look at that. There is a cockatoo. It's already 11:25. And you know that I am going to meet some people today, this afternoon. Yeah, 3 family. They are coming from Sydney and they come here in Nelson Bay area to look around. That there are many people this day because it's a weekend, and usually when it's weekend, heaps of people in here. Okay. Pupunta na ako sa bukod. Oh, yeah. And we are now here in Port Shore, and I have some guests here, Mr. Wally and family.
Yes! Wally on lens guys. May watch na lang po ha. Thank you, yun na sa inyo. Mawalang galang na.
Hindi ko lang simulan.
Awkward. Oo nga pala no, may nagpapa-shoutout nga pala kay sa fan ni Kuya Robby tsaka Bordero no. So ang aming tita sa Canada. Saan nga sa Toronto? Yep. Toronto, Canada. Ayan ha, tita. Si Robin ang harap namin ngayon. So siguro
magandang
naman.
araw po.
Ayun, kita mo. Thank you tita, ingat ka, stay safe, keep watching. Siyempre sa akin din ha. Magagalit ako sa iyo.
Baka si Kuya Robin lang pinapanood mo.
So yun tita, thank you very much tita.
Yeah, I just met Mr. Wally and the family. Really nice. We had a good conversation. And they give me some Filipino stuff. It is in my backpack. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Wally. And look at that, there are many fish in there, so much. And you know, these people, yeah, they are waiting for the ferry, and they're going to cross, going to the other side. And I noticed that there are a couple, they are like a backpacker. Yeah, they are traveling with their bike also. And in there is the water park. That's the ferry that is going to the other side. And yeah, a lot of people here. And I'm actually waiting for another group of people that I am going to meet today. The last message that I received from the new group is they are going to, actually they said they are thinking of going to Tomari Head and then Shoal Bay. That is why I am now heading to Shoal Bay. And we are now here in Shoal Bay, and at the moment, yeah, also a lot of people in here, and there's so much more on that side. Yeah, and next group that I'm going to meet, they said they are going first to the Tomari Head, that's the mountain, and then Shoal Bay. This is the Shoal Bay. Yeah, nice. Some people, they are camping. My troubles, that's what it is. And this is how it is in Shoal Bay. Really nice, a lot of people. We're going to cross to the other side. We're going to buy a cup of coffee. And that is a paddle board. If you come here in Shoal Bay, try that paddle board. It looks good to do, but I'm scared to do that. I said, can I have 2 meat pie? Plain one. And she was a little confused. And then I checked, there's none in the heater. Okay, we are going to the Ramada Hotel Cafe. We're going to buy a cup of coffee. You know, this heat of the sun is sure going to make me a little darker. It will give me sunburn. I'm waiting for my cup of coffee and a muffin from this takeaway shop. This is actually a hotel. Yeah, this is the Shoal Bay Country Club, and this is the Ramada Hotel. Okay, we're going to find a place where to eat this muffin and cup of coffee. Okay, that's it in here. We are now heading to Little Beach because the next group is actually, they didn't come here in Shoal Bay Tomari Head. The last message that I got from them is they are going to Little Beach for a swim at around 5 o'clock. And until now I don't have the GoPro media mode for this camera. That is why you still hear the noise of the wind. I am now here in Little Beach, and I'm just waiting for their message. See how it is at the moment, a lot of people. And this is the best spot, I mean one of the good spots here in Port Stephen, Nelson Bay area to see the sunset. You know, this place is good for the sun. I mean, yeah, on my workplace area is the best sunrise, and then best sunset is in this area. Chef Alessandro, we had a good chat. This is his car. Yeah, we had a good chat. Long time I didn't see him. He's going to be there first to fish, to catch the, yeah, for the bait, and then later on he's going to move in there because that is where he able to catch really big fish. Nice. This is the little bits restaurant, and this is their view. There's a kids playground here, parking area. You always see this in my video. Oh nice. They are able to catch a fish, but it's small. For sure they're going to put it back in the water. Okay, so yeah, I got the message and they are somewhere there near to the toilet. The time now is 6:05, and as you can see, a lot of people now. Yeah, they're going to observe the sunset. The sun is going to set down there, and you see a lot of them in here. This place is one of my recommendation to watch the sunset. It's really nice in here. Pakita kayo? And yeah, thank you to Jesse and the group. It was really amazing experience to had a conversation with them. Thank you very much. It was really good. I'm actually waiting for one more message, but I'm not receiving a message. Maybe they will send me message tomorrow. Yeah, it's okay that they don't message me, because what I'm wishing for is they are enjoying the place, because that's the real reason why they are here. Today is so good because I met Chef Alessandro and then some new friends. Good. They're actually inviting me to have a dinner with them, but yeah, I'm still expecting another group, another family. Oh, look at this. This is the first Christmas tree that I've seen lighting like that in here. I mean this time. Yeah, nice. Merry Christmas everyone.